1. On the beauty of nature. 2. On the importance of education. 3. On the power of resilience. 4. On the joy of travel. 5. On the impact of kindness.
The beauty of nature is an endless source of inspiration for the human soul. From the delicate petals of a blooming flower to the grandeur of a towering mountain, every aspect of the natural world offers a glimpse into the profound artistry of life. The serene landscapes, with their ever-changing hues and textures, not only captivate our senses but also provide a sanctuary for reflection and peace. In moments of quietude amidst nature, one can find a deep connection to the world beyond the mundane, fostering a sense of tranquility and wonder. Education serves as the cornerstone of personal and societal development, shaping the minds and futures of individuals. It is not merely about acquiring knowledge but about cultivating critical thinking, fostering creativity, and encouraging the pursuit of lifelong learning. Through education, we gain the tools to navigate the complexities of the world, challenge existing paradigms, and contribute meaningfully to society. A well-rounded education equips us with the skills to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an ever-evolving global landscape. Resilience is the remarkable ability to bounce back from adversity and emerge stronger in the face of challenges. It is not the absence of difficulties but the capacity to persevere and adapt that defines true resilience. This quality empowers individuals to confront obstacles with courage, transform setbacks into opportunities for growth, and maintain hope even in the darkest times. Embracing resilience allows us to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and determination, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and enriched existence. Travel opens the door to a world of endless possibilities, offering a chance to explore diverse cultures, landscapes, and experiences. Each journey provides a unique perspective, broadening our horizons and deepening our understanding of the global tapestry. The joy of travel lies not only in the destinations we reach but also in the serendipitous encounters and personal growth that occur along the way. By stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing the unfamiliar, we enrich our lives with new stories, friendships, and insights. Kindness is a powerful force that transcends boundaries and creates a ripple effect of goodwill and compassion. Small acts of kindness, whether through a smile, a kind word, or a helping hand, have the potential to brighten someone's day and foster a sense of connection. In a world often marked by division and conflict, kindness serves as a unifying force that can heal wounds, build bridges, and promote a sense of community. By embodying kindness in our daily interactions, we contribute to a more empathetic and harmonious world.